here in Intramuros again. Look at this view! Haha! It's so nice. By the way, we're going to visit Rizal. Right, Sha? Where are you?
Yeah.
We're going to visit Rizal, okay? Oh, to zoom in. What the wispy bangs you have. Straight.
Straight down.
Hi, Nay.
Asa ga itong
Straight.
agi ka kuan ba? Tiit.
Diya ba day? Ngita mig agi ni agi sa tiil mo Rizal.
Tong
The camera is not giving justice
tong
to the beauty of this place, okay? There they are. Come here. You're left behind.
Your feet is on the ground.
Spinning around. Crazier. What a vlogger.
Hi
Alright, vlogging over. Wow, wow, what a nice. What a nice.
Dinya to ba dira ba dinya? Abi si mama sa mama. Dinala mo ba yung latas ko? Abi kakaito man ang bunga ng lahat.
What? Hindi kayo mag-jump pa. Ayo, i-move please. Ayo, i-move. Is this Panaad 2025? Is this Panaad? Igang kaayo ti. So for Igang.
It's so easy.
But the sunset is giving. Dirita.
Tapos Jaya na. Ayun. Ay.
Okay. May kapoy na ko.
Can find your time. Let's get time lapse.
Uy!
Let's get
You're a bully, ha? You're a bully. Ha? Oh, yeah, kanayang sunset. She's a bully, guys. But for now, okay.
Murang nag-pray.
Nag-pray man dito.
Nag-pray ka diya.
Pagdili oy.
Murang nag-pray.
Ano sa epic ba?
Oo.
Asa man ka?
Ay. Color green ang tubig. Oh my God.
Lahi man ito nga dalan, me. Pero,
Mag-isip na po ng camera sa cellphone.
nice kay siya. Imong gibid. Nawink-wink na sad ko. What the frick? Lagtudon kay kaha.
Hindi lagi magtasok. Ay.
Hala, amiming. What are you doing? Ulap-uyog kayo siya do. Mapakat.
Lalaki pa naman yan, Jay.
Lucky. Tara na, Jay. Gyunsa ka, te. Gyunsa ka. Gyunsa ka.
Niger, mama mo. Niger?
Yeah.
Niger, di yung pasabot ha. Kasi Niger, mama mo. Niger.
Yan ang picture.
And that is why the prayers in that booklet are actually my own prayer journey. Looking forward to my third day.
Kaya ba?
At tamang-tama po kasama.
Depende yung exact concept.
Nandiyan yung parcel.
What time pa ito?
Okay. Laag pa ha. Unya pa alas 9. Alas 9 pa tamo uli. We're here at the museum. Yep, but we're not allowed to take videos earlier. So, yep, only pictures. So yeah. Just an update for today. Bye. Yep, it's a vlog. It's a vlog for today.
It's not allowed inside, but outside you can allow to video.
But it's so nice. Like the exterior design of the National Museum is so nice.
I can understand that. I can understand.
See, it looks like we're in a different place,
I can
a different country. Oh my gosh.
understand their culture.
What?
Yeah. They have weird face. I can also make that. Pag sulod dito naman sa museum yun, actually niya, alam, hindi ko na wow, ano para mo na-appreciate ang bato.
Buang.
Naarap ito mga bato nga sa kilig-kilig. I told you, I can understand your culture. Oo, ato.
Uy, naabay ba to nga idol? Because animism man before. Oh, may ilang gods.
Na. Mo to ano rin kung saan mo yung mga bato eh di. Ato ala nga din ang nila bayan bato kay na mga kanang carve nga na mga
Yes.
smile na. Pero ko so man yung dali ra mo kani buhaton. Dali. Sus. Kuan ra ba
Kuan man to.
kanang
Kuan man good to pick di carve man good to nga naong sa namatay katong atong gisudlan first.
Oh, diba?
Kabantay ka to murag vase didto. That's jar.
Nagets man ang mo to buga ara minikulot dali ra kay to buhaton. What if ba magbuhat mi ginato i-display kahapon?
Inato yung naong pagmakuan. Pag ipang carbo sa naunang panahon.
No, munday pa nila mag-experience sa mga
Uy, ginana lagi before. Hello guys, we're here at BTS. Oh wow! What a nice! That's so nice. It feels like we are in Disney, Hong Kong Disneyland, right?
No, it doesn't be like I'm in the Paris or
Oh, the Paris.
in the France.
So guys, we're here at the festival mall right now, and just the two of us, me and the Tikikay, and we're about to get lost.
I think we're lost.
Uy, wala kabalo asang Toby's. Doon yung festival.
I thought makatuyok din ta after.
No. Matuyok na tadalidaan.
MJ. So this is where we started.
Uy, Ate Kikay, is that safe to step on?
No, oh my god, oh my god.
Umuni ang kanang lingon ni Mama Il. Kaya na-ignorantihan ko. Guys, we're going to the water garden. And it's so nice. Like for real. Oh my gosh. Look, oh. I mean, my camera is not giving justice, but it's really nice in person. The place, it's so nice. I swear.
Maghapon ka?
Yeah, sure. So weird.
I think mag-night
Arte Complex. Mag-jog na may ulo kayo take a vlog. Ulo kayo guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys. I'm pregnant.
What? We're here at the sports complex. Muntinlupa. Yes, Muntinlupa. We are here for the cloud. Cloud, no. For fitness, of course.
Yeah.
And I forgot my smartwatch, so it's okay. What's important is we make progress, right? Okay. Hindi mo makita si Shami.
Yeah.
She's somewhere there.
Ako siya. Pero,
Ayun.
talaga lang dua ka lalaki.
Yeah.